welcome to the Cecilia Stories. Today, I'm going to make French toast. Take a look at the ingredients you'll need. And the tools. Here's the milk. You'll need milk. I put vanilla. Here's cinnamon. I love the cinnamon part. Here's the eggs. Now you'll need your materials. Here's a bowl where you're going to put all your stuff. Make that mixture. Here is a spatula and a whisk. The whisk is to mix everything together. Spatula is for getting the bread. And yes, you're right, the stove. This is a mini stove. And now I'm going to ask my mom to help me crack the egg. Time to whisk. Everyone, let's whisk together if you're watching and copying. Whisk. That's 3 egg yolks. They're not... Here, I'm whisking the eggs. The yolk is finally going away. It's turning yellow. You'll have to guess what's the next ingredient. There, it's all whisked up. Okay, now I need to put in the milk. If it's too heavy, ask Gola, but it's not heavy for me. You pour in all your milk into that egg yolk. Look at the color, half yellow, half white. That's a lot of white. Oh, look, you can kind of see the yellow in here. Oh, it's weird. It's just dripping yellow. Oops. Next is the next ingredient. Are we going to put cinnamon? I only have a little bit of cinnamon left, so maybe I'll dump it. No. Oh, yes. There you go. It's in. Let's cover the cinnamon. It smells good. I bet it's gonna smell even more good if we add in the vanilla. Now whisk again. I bet it's gonna turn brown. It's starting to turn brown. Next is vanilla. I'll pour it in. There goes the vanilla to make it smell good. I never tried vanilla. It doesn't taste good. Hey. It smells good, the vanilla. I love the vanilla smell. It's just gonna all turn into one color. It's just gonna turn white, I think. With those nice dots. Ooh, still eggy. So I have my bread here. You can use any bread you like, but I chose egg and milk bread because it's soft. Okay, now let's pour it in. Sorry if I've embarrassed you. Okay, pour it in. That's all I'm pouring in. Okay, now I'll put more. That's enough. More? You want me to put more? Oh, scared. It almost fell. Oh, I almost overput it. But now let's put in the bread. Ooh, it's soggy. Drip it in. Do what you want, Red. Ooh, here's the bread side. It looks so delicious. Is this hot yet? It's hot. Got my knife. Okay, we're gonna cut the butter. Use whichever knife. Okay, this is hard. I'll try my best. I'll hold on to it. Oh, the butter! Okay, let's put it in. Ah! Oh no. It went on the... Sorry everyone, it went on it. That is getting really hot. So you might not want to touch that. Okay, I'll wait for it. But meanwhile, let's prepare the second one. Okay. Okay, I'm spreading. It's ready to flip. Oh no! No! Okay, it's broken in here. But it's still gonna taste good for sure. This is for Daddy. Daddy's gonna have two. Look, it's golden brown. Wait till the other side is also golden brown. This one's gonna be really soggy. I'm just gonna turn it around so it doesn't get too soggy. Oh no. Or is it too late? This one's just too soggy now. Maybe I will be able to eat it. I flip it. I don't like it. Oh, I think it's ready. Oh no. Oh, it's pretty. This is how it turned out. Put any topping you like. Okay, here's your French toast. I like plain honey, but you can put whichever. Enjoy! I bet those delicious carrots. Breakfast is served! I hope you like this video. Like and subscribe, and if you want to know my recipe, press the description button down below. Bye!